If you're into real estate and you aren't doing video marketing, you are losing out, and here's why. According to statistics, 66% of people prefer to have a video shown to them. It could be in the form of a 3D footage, it could be in the form of a virtual plan, live streaming, it could be drone footage. Videos are so essential right now. Hey there, this is Lata. I'm a digital strategist. I can help 10x your business in 6 months. Yes, 6 months, and I have tried and tested multiple strategies. And if you would like to enjoy and learn these strategies, do subscribe. If you're still not convinced, okay, 86% of people believe that they would like to connect to their agent. So how would you connect to an agent who is just across the phone? A video makes sense, right? So they make their decision based on their video sales letter. They make their decision based on their market insights. So share these across social media. Okay, here is something which you cannot really ignore. Okay, 403% of people like to watch a video, and also 213% increase in click-through rate for those which are having videos. And sites like 99 Acres and Magic Bricks charge higher for video listings. That is because they know that videos will convert higher. This is also from a personal experience where we were trying to sell a property. We tried everything. We put a flat listing, like an image listing in 99 Acres, etc. But the thing which got us a ton of traffic and a ton of leads, when one smart agent, he took the video which we gave and he posted it in Facebook ads. So remember this, videos are the lifeblood of your business in this century.